Are you aware of the place you make your decisions from? When we start deciding from peace, we realize that some of those unconscious decisions are made from a place of conflict within. We can even think that's natural and normal for us because we're used to it. We're so used to it that we maybe can't think about making other decisions. But when we start deciding from peace, we realize we no longer have the need to make those decisions we used to. Inner peace really connects us to our true identity. So every decision made in the present from peace, it's gonna be different every time, even if we think there is no logical explanation for it. Remember, we can all make our decisions from peace consciously. It's completely up to us.